In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again to click on Vibration and Haptics and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, you can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate First, then Ring gradually, and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications, alarms, touches, and media thanks to those sliders. You can also tap on Adaptive Vibration to turn them on or off, and tap on this switcher next to Keyboard Vibration to manage them as well. When you're done with all of those options, go back, scroll all the way down and click on those options, Charging Sounds and Vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!